Install the tripod and place the gimbal on a flat surface. Hold the device with both hands. Unfold the arm upwards to form a 7 shape facing you. Rotate the phone clamp counterclockwise to unlock it. Ensure the camera logo on the clamp is in the top left corner. Smart P2 supports 3 mounting methods: magnetic ring, and phone clamp. Phone must be in landscape mode with the camera facing left. If your phone supports MagSafe, hold the device with both hands. Unfold the arm upwards to form a 7 shape facing you. Rotate the phone clamp counterclockwise to unlock it. Ensure the camera logo on the clamp is in the top left corner. Smart P2 supports 3 mounting methods: magnetic ring, and phone clamp. Phone must be in landscape mode with the camera facing left. Same direction as the logo. Method 1. Magnetic mount. If your phone supports MagSafe, attach directly to the gimbal's magnetic mount. Long press the power button to turn on. If the phone is tilted after powering on, gently adjust the phone by rotating it slightly. No need to remount. If you remove the phone while the gimbal is on, it will beep and enter standby. Reattach and double press the rear trigger to resume. For heavy phones or intense movements, use the magnetic ring or clamp to prevent falls. Do not use ring holders or non-standard magnetic mounts or cases. For safety, remove the phone case, apply the official magnetic ring, or use the clamp. Method 2. Magnetic ring mount. For non-MagSafe phones, use the included magnetic ring kit. After attaching, mount as in Method 1. Measure your phone center using the guide card. Clean the back of the phone with the alcohol pad. Apply the magnetic ring to the measured center. To remove, apply alcohol around the ring edge and gently peel off. Method 3. Phone clamp mount. Pull the clamp open and place the phone at the center. Adjust left or right for balance if needed. Long press the power button to turn on. Ensure the phone back rests flush against the clamp. Extendable rod. Pull out the built-in extension rod and adjust the angle as needed. Bluetooth connection. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Connect to Smart P2 in the Bluetooth list. The OLED Bluetooth icon lights up when connected. Button functions. Shutter button. Single press, shoot photo or video. Double press, switch landscape or portrait. Triple press, switch front or rear camera. Long press, enable or disable tracking. M button. Single press, switch PF, F, L, POV modes. Indicator shows mode. Triple press, DM auto rotation mode. Joystick. Move to adjust camera angle. Trigger button. Long press, sport mode. Double press, recenter phone. Wheel button. Rotate, zoom in or out. Single press, switch to focus mode. Double press, 360 degrees auto orbit mode. Gimbal modes. Smart P2 has 3 motor axes. Namely the axis that controls the left and right direction of the phone, the pitch axis that controls the up and down direction of the phone, and the roll axis that controls the tilt direction of the phone. Smart P2 has 6 modes, and you can check the current mode on the OLED display. PF mode. And axis follows, tilt and roll locked. This mode is suitable for horizontal panning shots. F mode. Pan and tilt follow, roll locked. This allows the phone to follow left-right or up-down handle movements. Ideal for horizontal panning shots, tilt shots, or overhead shots. L mode. All axes locked. Allowing for stable push-pull or tracking shots. POV mode. All axes unlocked. This mode allows tilting for unique, angled shots, adding more versatility to your shooting angles. DM mode. Auto 180 degrees rotation shots. Sport mode. Same as F mode, but stronger motors for fast moves. Storage. Power off and remove the phone. Adjust the gimbal as shown. Lock the phone clamp. Fold the tilt arm down. Fold the gimbal so the tilt axis notch clicks into the pan axis notch. App download and connection. Smart P2 supports shooting with the original camera of the mobile phone, and can also be used with the Outrun app to experience more creative gameplay. Download Outrun app for full features. Turn on Bluetooth and open the app. The device will auto-search. Follow prompts to pair. Bluetooth icon lights when connected. Use all app functions freely. Apps tracking feature. After entering the app and connecting the device via Bluetooth, tap the smiley face icon at the bottom to select from 4 tracking modes: face tracking, body tracking, object tracking, and third-party app tracking. Face tracking. Select face tracking mode, and when a face appears on the phone screen, the device will automatically start tracking it. Body tracking. Select body tracking mode, and when a human body appears on the phone screen, the device will automatically begin tracking. Body tracking is suitable for long-distance tracking. When using this mode, do not stand too close to the phone to avoid interference with recognition, which may cause the device to rotate improperly. Object tracking. Select object tracking mode, then use your finger to draw a frame around the object you want to track on the phone screen. The device will then automatically track the selected object. Third-party app tracking. Finally, for third-party app tracking, you can choose to use either the front or rear camera. Tap to select the tracking platform. Click Start Live and enter the third-party app. Once inside, triple-click the stabilizer shooting button to enable tracking. Triple-click again to disable tracking. If you want to use the native camera or any other app for tracking, select Other. Click Start Live, and this will open the phone's home screen, allowing you to launch any app for intelligent tracking. App's Gesture Control feature. After entering the app and connecting the device via Bluetooth, the gesture function is enabled by default, and its icon appears in yellow. Tap the icon to view all available gesture instructions. OK gesture. Make an OK gesture towards the camera to enable face tracking. Make the OK gesture again to disable tracking. Palm gesture. Show an open palm gesture towards the camera to start a 3-second countdown for automatically taking a photo or recording a video. Repeat the gesture to stop shooting. Double thumbs up gesture. Show a double thumbs up gesture towards the camera to switch the phone's orientation between horizontal and vertical modes. Fist gesture. Make a fist gesture towards the camera to toggle between photo and video modes. Double L gesture. Make a double L gesture towards the camera to pause gesture recognition. While paused, other gesture controls will not function. Make the double L gesture again to resume gesture recognition. This is the Smart P2 Quick Start Guide. Thank you for watching.
ये मैंने खुद रिकॉर्ड की है और इसको मैं एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ज़रिए प्रमोट करना चाहता हूँ। इस प्रोडक्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है, आप बाय कर सकते हैं इसको।